basically I'm doing another fall look because it's fall, and as you can see, I already started with my concealer on my eyeshadow. Okay, from my Tarte Amazonian clay palette, I'll basically be starting off with the color Whimsy. Next, I'll be applying the color Edgy to my outer lid. Then I'm just blending it out with more of the Whimsy. Then I'll go back to the Edgy color and just make sure everything is blended out. Now I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer color Suede for my base on my eyelid. Yeah, I'm only gonna do like a half cut crease. Then I'll be applying the color Whimsy and Innocent to the half cut crease. Now that that's done, I'll just go back in with the Edgy and just blend it out. Next, I'll be applying the shimmer pink blush color from the Zulu palette onto my half cut crease. Also, from the Masquerade palette, I'll be applying Geyser to my half cut crease as well. Okay, now for the inner corner of my eyes, I'll be using Velvet Cuffs from Fenty and Geyser from Juvia's. Okay, y'all, I don't know what this tool is called, but I use this to help comb down my real lashes so I could apply the falsies. It helps a lot. Now I'm just applying my powder foundation because I'm about to beat my face. for my contour, because at the time when I got my concealer and foundation, I honestly forgot about contour, so I threw my whole contour concealer palette away, and then I realized I don't have no contour, so a darker shade, so now I'm gonna use this. Yeah, we're using a little bit of Fulani mixed with Burkina, whatever that says. I'm using Ada and a little bit of Casablanca, and I'll be using a mixture of afternoon snack for the bottom lids. Okay, so basically I'm gonna start with Ada. Actually, I'm gonna mix it with some of Fulani too, to give it like. Now, this is my bronzer, you guys. Yeah, this is Cheeky Bronze. I'll be using Cheeky Bronze by MAC.
I don't know if you guys can see, because I don't know if I can see it neither.
I honestly thought this was gonna be like a brown color, but it's actually like a burgundy. I know, I'll figure something out right now. Alright, so this is the final look. Let me know how I did in the comment section. I'll be doing more looks for fall. I'll probably drop a video every week of November. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below, and peace out, baby.